guys, welcome back. This is Khushbu again. Today we are going to discuss about how we can protect our brand or business name worldwide. So let's talk about trademark registration application under Madrid Protocol. So first let me explain what is trademark registration under Madrid Protocol. So the Madrid Protocol offers you an attractive route to make application in 115 countries, which is very cost effective and user friendly. You can make this application in French, English and Spanish language. The Madrid Protocol is administered by World Intellectual Property Organization, which is a specialized agency of United Nations headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. The Madrid Protocol provides a cost-effective and efficient way for the trademark holders to make one application with a single office and in one language with one set of fees in a single currency. Using Madrid Protocol today is an essential component of any successful branding strategy. Now you might think why you should go for trademark registration under Madrid Protocol. So the reasons for the same are quite simple. Like first, it gives you an opportunity to make early brand presence at a global level. Second, it gives you opportunity by making a single application to cover wide range of countries. And third, it gives you advantages in way of cost effectiveness and portfolio management. And you don't have to spend as much as you spend in independent applications. Now let's see its advantages. So one, you can file the application with a single set of fees in a multiple countries. Second, it is a centralized system to manage your various trademark application. Third, the renewal process is very easy and you can get the same by making a simple application to the WIPO system. The fourth advantage is your trademark will be registered within 18 to 20 days if you have not received any objections. The fifth point is you will be part of a global market representing over 80% of the world trade. Now let's talk about the Madrid trademark registration process and its stages. Number 1 is make a trademark search and select a class. Number 2, file the trademark registration with the trademark registry in India. Number 3, file the international trademark application with all the necessary documents. Number 4, once you file the application, the WIPO will examine the application. Number 5, if WIPO is satisfied, the trademark will be published by WIPO. Number 6, the application then passes through substantial examination at the trademark office of the contracting party, which is designating country. Then number 7, the trademark will subsequently be advertised in the Indian Trademarks General, and if no opposition is received, then the same will be registered in your name. The documents required to make this application are: first, proof of business or registration. Second, PAN and Aadhaar of the applicant. Third, MSME certificate. If you don't need to provide MSME certificate if you are an individual or the proprietor. And fourth, trademark application number or trademark registration certificate issued by the Indian Trademark Registry. So to conclude here, I would advise that if you are trading globally or if you are providing services across the world, you should protect your brand name or trade name by making trademark application. And this is Khushbu signing off for the day. Goodbye. Take care.